Hey, I'm Aaron, Audi Warwick, and we're here for Car Care Month. So we're gonna go over a couple tips to keep your Audi running in tip-top shape. All right, one thing you wanna do is you wanna make sure that your oil's full always, because engines with full oil are where you wanna be. And this one's great. Also, while you're under the hood, you wanna check your coolant level, which you can see through the bottle on these, so it's easy to check right there. This one is just above the minimum, so we're gonna top this bottle up for this customer. And then we're also gonna top off the washer fluid over here. Make sure that that's full. All right, now we're performing an on-hoist inspection of the vehicle. And it's always the first thing we gotta check is the tires, because they are the single most important part on your car. And as we see, if we look at this tire, the tread depth is actually on the lower side. We're right down here to the tread bars. So this tire is at the end of its life cycle. And then if we come over on the other side of the car, this tire is in better shape. It actually, you can see that it's got a lot more tread left. And also you want to just feel the edges. If they feel choppy, it's good to maybe address an alignment issue. All right, when you're underneath the car, you want to try to keep everything clean underneath, because during winter months we get salt and all kinds of stuff from the roads underneath the car. So we want to keep it clean just to prevent future corrosion and keep your car in awesome condition as long as you possibly can. All right, so thanks for watching the video about car care. And just remember that when your Audi has any service needs whatsoever, you can bring it into us at Audi Warwick, and we'll take great care of your car for you.